So today I'm going to be thinning out my pumpkin seedlings, and what I mean by that is I'm going to come in here with firstly sterilized shears, because you don't want to introduce diseases to your plants, and I'm going to be snipping off, well, let me back up again. So it's a good idea when you're planting things to plant more than one seed to increase the likelihood of success. But what can often happen is all the seeds will germinate and then you'll have multiple things in one module or pot, and you'll have to, or it's a good idea to thin them out so you only have one in the pot. Otherwise they'll be competing for resources and you'll have probably two underperforming plants when you could have one better performing plant. So what I'm going to be doing is going through here and looking for, and it might be a little difficult because they're all very similar. I'm going to be looking for the one that is bigger and clipping the smaller one. And they are all very similar, aren't they? So maybe on this one, maybe I'll take out this guy and have this one be the main pumpkin. That's probably not a big deal which one, since they're so similar. But now that I've clipped that off, this one will get to take over. Same thing here. And there. And I'll just do that throughout all of these and thin out my pumpkins, because I want to get an actual decent pumpkin crop this year. And these are Big Mac pumpkins, so we'll see if I actually have the space for these. But it's going to be fun regardless. And it's almost cruel to come in and sniff something that's doing so well. But it's actually a little bit satisfying as well when you do it. And I'm sure I'll come back out here in the next few days and see the ones that remain start taking off. But yeah, that's thinning pumpkins. It's really simple.